How's it going, YouTube? My Harley-Davidson Street 500 family and all you fellow newbie noobs on two wheels. This is Learning with Udi. This is part 5 of Learning with Udi. Today we're going to go over how to actually shift gears. So if you take everything you learned from the first 4 videos, this should be pretty simple because you've already got it where you can lift your feet up. But in order to move on to video 6, we're going to have to learn how to actually shift out of first. So like I said, here's your shifter. Like I said, down 1, up for second, then third, 4th, 5th, 6th. If you have 6 neutrals in between first and second, so it's like a half a click up and then you're in neutral. This is your clutch, which you should know by now since we did the video with the friction zone and clutch play, and your throttle. Okay, so you're going to need all 3 of these things and maybe a little bit of front brake, a little bit of back brake, Okay, so here we go. So take what you learned from the first video. I'm going to turn the bike on, kill switch, let that start up a little bit. There we go, clutch in, power. But yeah, all right, kickstand. All right, so when you're shifting gears, actually, you know what? Let's turn this off so we can explain this a little bit better. Okay, so you're on the throttle. You want to roll off the throttle. So you don't want to just let go of the throttle. Roll off the throttle. So say you're going down the road, you've got the throttle pulled back. To shift gears, roll off the throttle, you're going to pull in the clutch while you're off the throttle, and then you're going to shift with your foot. All right, so starting at first, remember that friction zone? Okay, so you're going to roll off the throttle, pull in the clutch, and then shift up, and then you're going to roll back onto the throttle. Now you're going to want to do it quicker than that because you can bog out the motor quite a bit by going that slow. But like I said, once again, you're on the throttle, you're going to roll off the throttle, pull in the clutch, and click into your next gear, and then roll back onto the throttle. All in like a smooth motion. Don't pull the clutch in, rev, and shift at the same time. So you want to roll off the throttle, pull in the clutch, and then shift. It's pretty simple, and that might be more of a dumbed down version or a simplified version. I don't have multiple cameras to show you all the, rolling off the throttle at the same time and pulling the clutch at the same time, but like I said, it's pretty simple. If you've been in first gear, you've got your feet up, going to second gear should be pretty simple. So, well, stay tuned for the, and sorry about the short video. I'm taking, it is Saturday right now I'm uploading this, and we've been having a lot of rain and storms and stuff, and the sky cleared up just a bit, enough to come out and shoot this video, so. But they're calling for more. I mean, clouds are coming in that way, this cloud's coming this way, so yeah, quick little video for the Learning with Udi segment. I might, if it doesn't rain tomorrow and doesn't storm tomorrow, I'll go ahead and upload 2 Learning with Udis. We've got the shifting of the gears today, which will actually be tomorrow, which is Sunday, which is today for you because you're watching it today, which is tomorrow for me, and yeah, be yesterday. Yeah, anyway. So, whatever I was saying, stay tuned for that. For the 6th video, after the 5th, we're going to actually cover counter steering versus handlebar steering in the 6th video. But for now, just work on shifting your gears. Find you a big empty parking lot, get it up to speed, and shift gears. Now, you can listen to your motorcycle. Your motorcycle will tell you if you don't have a gear indicator or a shifter indicator tell you when to shift. Some sports bikes do, I believe, and some other bikes do, but you can listen to the motorcycle. When she starts winding up like me, that's when you want to shift gears. So look, I'll show you what I mean. Yeah. Oh man, come on. Oh, look at that. I'm a newbie. Forgot to hit the kill switch, put it back off. All right, so listen really closely to the way the motor sounds. You hear that winding up. So just listen to your motor. If you don't have a indicator, you'll know exactly when to shift gears. So anyway, all right, so if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, the bell icon to get the content as soon as it comes out. And like I said, this was Learning with Duty, and I will see you guys in part 6 later, guys.